Second daily phrase. Loops. Another great tool is phrase repetition. Simple phrases, like, I can speak English. I understand more each day. I love learning new words. You can find audios online that repeat these short phrases, or you can record them in your own voice. Loop them. Play them on repeat. Let them become part of your night. This is not just about memory, it's about confidence. These phrases become part of your thoughts. In the morning, they are still there, quiet but strong. Your brain says, yes, I can do this. 1. English with background music. Some audios mix English with soft background music. This is helpful. Music makes the experience smoother. It keeps the brain calm. It helps the words go in gently. But choose music without strong beats or heavy sounds. No loud drums. No fast piano. Just calm, slow music, like soft waves or wind. Second, shadowing practice. Before sleep, then sleep listening. Here's a tip. Before you sleep, shadow a short audio. That means you listen and repeat, just for 2 to 3 minutes. Then play the same audio again, but this time while you sleep. This technique tells your brain, this is important. It puts the words in both your short-term and long-term memory. The results are powerful. Now, what not to use? News reports. They are fast, full of facts, and often stressful. Complicated podcasts. If you need to focus hard to understand them when you're awake, don't use them at night. Long grammar lessons. Your sleeping brain doesn't care about rules. It wants rhythm and comfort. Anything new. Your brain cannot learn brand new things in sleep. It can only review what it already knows. Also, keep the volume low. Not silent, but not loud. Your brain should not wake up. It should just hear, gently, like soft rain. If the audio wakes you up, or if you dream too much, try a timer. Play the audio for 30 to 60 minutes only. Then let silence return. Your brain already did the work. It doesn't need all night. And finally, use your favorite voice. If you like my voice, you can use it. If you like your own voice, record it. If a certain speaker makes you feel calm, choose that. Voice is personal. The right voice makes a big difference. So now you know what to listen to. Simple, slow, repeated, familiar. In the next chapter, I will give you a full routine, a real plan. From the moment you wake up to the moment you sleep, with English helping you grow every step of the way. Let's turn this dream into a habit. You are closer than you think. Chapter 7. Real Sleep Learning Routine, a Sample Plan. Now let's make everything simple and real. You've learned the science. You've heard the stories. But now you need a plan, something to follow, something you can do every day, even if you are busy, even if you are tired, even if you don't believe in magic. This is not about doing more. This is about doing better, doing smarter, doing enough. So your English grows without pressure, without pain, and even while you rest. Let's begin. Morning, 7 to 8 a.m. Start your day with light English. When you wake up, your mind is fresh. Don't grab your phone to check messages or news. Instead, take 5 minutes for soft English. You can listen to a slow English story while brushing your teeth, or read 2 to 3 simple English sentences from your notebook. Don't try to remember, just enjoy. Let the words wake your brain. Keep it short and calm. This is not a lesson. This is breakfast for your brain. Midday, 12 to 1 p.m. Repeat once. If you can, find 5 minutes to repeat the same content, the same story, the same phrases. You don't need to sit and study. Just listen again while eating lunch or while walking. This helps your brain say, "Oh yes, I remember this." Repetition is the key. Evening, 5 to 7 p.m. Light practice. In the evening, spend 10 to 15 minutes with that same content again. This time, speak a little. Repeat the sentences aloud. Shadow them. Whisper them. Or write them once in your notebook. This is your active review. You're telling your brain, "This is important. Please keep it." You can even record yourself. Speak 3 to 5 simple lines. Listen. Smile. You are building your English muscle. Quietly. Gently. Every evening, your confidence grows, even if you don't feel it yet. Night, 9 to 10 p.m. Prepare for sleep learning. Now it's time to get ready. This is the most powerful part. No bright screens, no hard studying. Sit with yourself. Breathe slowly. Open your notebook. Read your 3 favorite sentences from the day. Or listen to the audio one more time. The same story, the same words. Do not add anything new. Your brain is getting ready to remember. Smile as you do it. Feel calm. Feel good. This tells your brain, "I love this language. It feels safe." Bedtime, 10 to 11 p.m. Play sleep audio. Now lie down. Play the same English audio. It can be your voice, a slow story, a gentle podcast. Keep the volume low. Use earphones only if they are soft and comfortable. Set a sleep timer if you want. 30 to 60 minutes is enough. As you fall asleep, your brain listens. Not perfectly, but softly. It remembers what it heard in the day. It saves it. It repeats it in your dreams. That's sleep learning. Tips for busy people. If you don't have time in the morning, just whisper 1 English sentence to yourself. That's enough. If your job is stressful, use English listening to calm your mind. If you are too tired at night, don't push. Just play the audio and close your eyes. Let your brain do the rest. Use the same content for 3 to 5 days. Do not change it too fast. Let it become part of you. What to use. A slow story, 1 to 2 minutes is enough. 5 simple phrases in your voice. A gentle English podcast. A vocabulary loop, only familiar words. This routine is not hard. It's soft. It's light. It works like water, quietly shaping your English mind day by day. Remember, you don't need to do everything, just something. Every small action counts. English does not grow in noise. It grows in rhythm. In the next chapter, we will talk about the common mistakes people make with sleep learning, because even good tools can be used the wrong way. Let's protect your time. Let's make this real. Let's stay smart.